Hey, Amanda with Amanda's Plumbing. My name is Lee Turbienik, and I was doing some research in your area and came across your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you three things that you can begin to do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and become more interested on how I can help grow your business, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Just take these tips I've given you and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video after you're done watching it. So let's jump right in. The three major things I want to go over today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is anything written that you see on your home screen here, and Google loves content. Content is king in the eyes of Google. You got to think it's a bot. All it can do is read. So if you don't have the correct content with enough content that it can understand what you're offering and who you are with those keywords, which we'll get into, that people search each month, then it doesn't know where to rank you and how to rank you. So therefore, like I said, Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage, and you have maybe 200. So I did a quick search for Plumbing Columbus, Ohio. It's a bigger city near you, so we could get some more search volume. And Waterworks Plumbing is in first place, as you can see. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. And as we scroll down, he doesn't really have much content. Even what these pictures are saved as, they're considered content too. You want them as keywords. But yeah, not much content either. So if you were to go out and get that 1,500 words, you would easily be beating him in that aspect. So let's go back to this Google main page. I'm going to break down Google for you. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying to be here. And to be honest, it's unnecessary to be paying all that money because if you're ranking in the top three in this map pack in the organic section on the first page, you don't need to be paying. You'll be getting plenty of business, and I will show you that. So let's touch base on this Google Map Pack section. Now, what ranks you in this section is a citation. A citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them. But as you can see, the Waterworks is in first, and I wanted to see how many citations he has. So I have this tool I use, I pay for monthly, called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder, and I plugged in the Waterworks information, and it's showing me he has 19 citations. Very beatable. So I wanted to see what citations he actually has, and here they all are to be laid out and submitted for your business. As you can see, each and every red dot is submittable. But now, these aren't created equal. As you can see, this domain authority, that's how strong it is. So 100 being the strongest, 0 being the weakest. As you can see, it goes down lower. So you want to get some strong citations, and I have access to them. I'd like to add 80 to 100 to your business, really beat these guys out, and also to get your name out there in more directories across the web so people can find you when they're looking for your service. So that's what a citation is, and that's the ranking for that. Now, what ranks you in this organic section has to deal directly with your website. It's called a backlink. Now, I know you're probably wondering, what's a backlink? A backlink is when one website links to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen text like blue writing on a website. You click it and it takes you to a completely different website. Well, that is a backlink, and Google loves backlinks. They consider them votes for the website. So the more backlinks you have, the more votes you have, and the higher you will rank. Now, they're not created equal. You want relevant backlinks linking back to you. You don't want Pizza Hut linking to you because you don't sling pizzas for a living. You want other plumbing sites and strong construction sites and directories linking to you. That's what will transfer the most power. But I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and that will show me a basic overview of your site and your stats and your backlinks. So this UR and DR are very important. This UR is the overall trust of your page, and this is 0 to 100, 100 being the best, and the DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile. As you can see, you have a 6. Even though you have 4,000 backlinks, you only have 62 websites that are giving you the 4,000 backlinks. And like I said with the citations, they're not created equal either. So these do follow links, you have 24 of. They're the ones that transmit power. That's why your number is so low. But let's look at your competitor and see what his stats are. The Waterworks, as you can see, he's in first place again down here. But he has a 42 and a 26. So a little bit better than yours at the moment. And he has 221 referring domains, which is websites, giving him almost 2,000 backlinks. But only 97 of them are transmitting power. So best part about this tool is just like the citations, we can go in and here's a full list of all his backlinks laid out to be submitted for your business. Here they all are, 5 pages of them. So we know it's working for him, it'll work for you. And it's important to add this power because of these keywords that I'm about to show you. So at the moment, you are ranking for 384 keywords. So let's go touch base on that. As you can see, Amanda Plumbing. Now this is going to show me the exact keyword that people are typing in each and every month, how many times, and the KD, which is the difficulty, and your position that you are ranking for it. So you're ranking first place for your name, Ohio Plumbing, 700 searches a month. That's 700 people looking for Ohio Plumbing each and every month. It's got a low KD. This is 0 to 100, 100 being the hardest to rank for, 0 being the easiest to rank for. But you're in the second page. You're in 11th position. Amanda Plumbing, we're looking for these though. Plumbers, Delaware, Ohio, 100 searches a month. Plumbers in Delaware, Ohio, 60 searches a month. Delaware Plumbing, 500 searches a month. Plumbing, Delaware, Ohio, 20. Plumbing, Delaware, that might be Delaware, the state, so we got to stay local. Plumbers in Delaware, Plumber Powell, Ohio, 80 and 0. That tells me 80 people are writing Plumber Powell, Ohio, and there's like no one trying to rank for it, but you're in the 12th position because you don't have proper power to your website to gain that trust flow to rank yet. But like I said, we can get there, and that's why it's important to have the 1500 words so you can fit these special keywords throughout it. So when someone types it, it's on your homepage, it gets pulled to you. And if you rank in the first position, you're going to gain a lot more traffic. So let's talk about what we went over. First thing was content. You need 1,500 words on your homepage so we could fit those keywords that we were just going over throughout. You could put one for every 100 words so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. Second thing we spoke about was this map pack and citations. A citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I'd like to go get 80 to 100, beat these guys out by a lot, plus to get your name out there in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing was backlinks, or any other website that links back to your website. You want to have the most of those, strongest ones as possible. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call, 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Amanda. I hope you guys have a great day today. Thank you for watching. And remember, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated. Thank you.